This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making baked 5-spice and garlic fish steak.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
I'm making one fish steak here, but you can scale this recipe up to however many you like. This is what we need. I have here 200 grams of white snapper, but you can use any firm white fish you like. 1 chili, a clove of garlic, half a teaspoon each of 5-spice powder, pepper, salt, and some oil for frying. Chop up the garlic and chili. I'm using half a chili here. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix well. In a baking tray, top the fish with the 5-spice and garlic mixture. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Check for doneness at about the 20-minute mark. Baked 5-spice and garlic fish steak. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.